Want to know the secret to turning a little bit of money into a lot? It's not magic, it's something even better. Compound interest. And you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to make it work for you. Let's break it down. Imagine you have $100. You invest it in something like a mutual fund, which is basically a basket of different stocks and bonds managed by professionals. Let's say your fund grows by 10% in the first year. Great. You now have $110. Here's where the magic happens. The next year, you're not just earning interest on your original $100, you're earning it on the whole 110. So, a 10% return now gives you $11, bringing your total to 121. See what happened? Your money started making money for you. This is compounding. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. The longer you let your money roll, the more powerful compounding becomes. Let's look at a bigger picture. Say you invest just $100 every single month. If you get an average return of 8% a year, after 10 years, you'd have over $18,000. But if you keep going for 30 years, you'd have over $150,000. A huge chunk of that is pure growth from compounding. You only put in $36,000 yourself. The key is consistency and time. You don't need a huge amount to start. You just need to start. By regularly investing in a fund, you're putting your money to work, letting it grow, and then letting that growth grow on its own. It's a simple, powerful strategy anyone can use to build wealth for the future. You're not just saving, you're actively building your financial future, one compounded dollar at a time. So why wait? The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more simple tips on making your money work for you.